to create a simple video editing on KineMaster. So watch the video completely till the end and please subscribe to channel. Open KineMaster, select beautiful forest picture from media. After it, then go to layer media. Select a PNG tree, fit on new media. Create a many duplicate tree, fit on forest place. Click go to layer media. Select a green screen bug video. Take out the chroma key of the green screen. Then use the key seen on the left side to fly the birds of the video. Now you watch the video carefully till the end. And I request my viewer like and share this video. I think the video is complete. Thanks for watching the video and wait the next video.